Hello guys. Today I will show you an Apex Legends coins glitch for all devices. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the coins shop for free. So you can just follow my steps.
I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe.
First, go to this website, apexfree.com. Then search for Apex Legends coins. Click this button, continue. This is the tool that we are using to get the coins for free. So, we will type our username.
So I can write it down and become the perfect man for you.
Then we will select our device. For me, I have an Android. Then click continue. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. I will choose 5,650 coins. So it says that we have to unlock our coins manually, so click unlock now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our Apex coins. So we have to complete these 2 offers.
I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello. Where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't.
After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the coins as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 5,650 coins. So just follow all these steps. So guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.